So are you the one who's still adding the SaaS leads to Google Sheets manually by tapping the lead details like this? Then it's time for a change. So in this video, I'll show you how you can also automatically add your SaaS leads to your Google Sheets whenever you receive them. And all of this is going to happen without any manual intervention. So to do this, you have to open your workflow builder inside Pabbly Connect if you are an existing user like me. But if you are a new user, open a new tab and search for pabbly.com/connect in your browser and open the landing page of Pabbly Connect. In the top right corner, you're going to see the option of sign up for free. So click on this sign up for free and you are going to get 100 of tasks free every month to explore Pabbly Connect. This means that you can add up to 100 of lead details for free. And yes, this is true. And once you try Pabbly Connect and if you like it, you can definitely purchase a subscription plan. But first, I'll suggest you try Pabbly Connect. If you like it, then you can move on further and purchase the subscription plan. And if you wish a very good discount on the subscription plan of Pabbly Connect, we have attached the discount coupon code right over here. You can use this discount coupon code, which is only for the ones who watch our YouTube videos, who are going to get a very good discount on the yearly plans and the lifetime deals of Pabbly Connect. Okay, so let's see how this automation is created now. Alright, so this is the most important window for automation because we have trigger and action in this. Trigger and actions are the two main principles on which our workflow is going to run. Trigger means when this happens and action means do this. So by this you can understand that the trigger starts the process and the actions are results towards the same. So to get started, we have to click on this add trigger button. For the trigger application, we have to search for Google Ads. And once we're going to search for Google Ads, we have to select it. For the event, we have to select it as new lead form entry. So in order to collect the SaaS leads for my business, I use Google Ads. So I've selected the same. Now you have to click on this connect and it is giving me a webhook URL. Now what you have to do is you just have to copy this webhook URL and follow this help text or follow me. You just have to open your campaign. So as you can see that this is the campaign and in this campaign I've added the lead form. And using this lead form only, we're going to create the connection between Pabbly Connect and Google Ads. So what we're going to do is we're going to connect this lead form with Pabbly Connect. And first of all, you're going to see that these are the details which I want to add in my Google Sheets: name, email, phone number and city. So I've selected the same in this lead form. If you want to get more details, you can definitely select the company name and so on. It totally depends upon you what details you want to collect from your lead. But I'll suggest you don't keep many details because what happens is, like, let's say the lead is filling the form and if they find that there are too many details, they are just going to skip that form or they won't fill in the form. So I'll suggest you just keep the important details using which you can contact them further and then you can collect the rest of the details. Alright, so as you can see, I've only selected these 4 details right over here. Now let's connect this lead form with Pabbly Connect. For that, you just have to scroll and you're going to see the option of this lead delivery. So open this and you're going to see that it is asking for the webhook URL and the key. So over here for the webhook URL, you just have to paste the webhook URL which you copied from the workflow. For the key, enter your key and click on this send test data. Once you click on this send test data, it is saying test data sent. So let's open our workflow and Pabbly is going to capture this webhook response right over here, which is the details of the test lead. So as you can see, we have captured the details of the same and now we're going to add these details in our Google Sheets. But now you have two options. The first option is just add the test lead details into your Google Sheets and it is going to run perfectly fine for your real leads too. The second option which you have is that you can click on this recapture webhook response and wait until you receive a real lead. And then you can add these details in your Google Sheets. But this is very time consuming because you have to wait until you receive a real lead. So I'll suggest you create this automation using the test lead details and it is going to run perfectly fine for your real leads too. You just have to click on this add new action step. For the action application, search for Google Sheets and select Google Sheets right over here. For the event, you have to select it as add new row and click on this connect. Now if you already created a connection between Google Sheets and Pabbly Connect, then click on this select existing connection and then save. But if you haven't, follow me, click on add a new connection and then sign in with Google. And once we click on the sign in with Google, we have to select the Gmail account with the help of which we want to build this connection. And after selecting the Gmail account, Pabbly is going to ask us for some permissions. So let's click on this allow and give Pabbly all the permissions it is asking for because my data is secure with Pabbly. Once I'm going to click on this allow, my Google Sheet is connected with Pabbly Connect. Now what we have to do is we have to select the spreadsheet and the sheet in which we want to add the lead details. So as you can see, the name of my spreadsheet is lead details and the sheet is details. So I'm just going to select the same right over here. For the spreadsheet, I'm going to select lead details and the sheet as details. But you're going to see that now it is not giving me the options further. So I'm just going to click on this refresh fields and the options will appear, using which I can add the details in this Google Sheet. And as you can see, the details have appeared. So one by one, I'm just going to add these details right over here so that the details can be added in my Google Sheets. But over here, you have to keep in mind that you don't have to add the details manually by tapping it like this, but instead you have to map it. So you must be wondering what is mapping. So mapping is a method by Pabbly which means inserting the data from the previous step. And when we insert the data from the previous step, automatically our data becomes dynamic and changes with every new response received. So one by one, I'm going to map all the details and click on this save and send test request. Once we're going to click on this save and send test request, we have received the positive response that we have successfully added the details. So let's open our Google Sheets and we're going to refresh it right from here. And you can see the details have been added, be it the name, email, phone or the city. The details are added right over here in my Google Sheets. And not only for the single lead, but now whenever I'm just going to receive a new lead from Google Ads, the details will be added in my Google Sheets. And all of this is going to happen in backend. I don't have to come back again to my workflow to click on save and send test requests. So go and create this amazing automation for your own SaaS business, because right now we are offering a free trial of Pabbly Connect. And while trying, if you have any questions related to the video or the workflow, you can directly comment on this video. For your reference, I'll attach the workflow URL of this workflow in the description box below. You can check it out and create this amazing workflow for yourself also. See you in the next video with many more automation tips, everyone. Thank you for watching.
So not only these applications, but with the help of Pabbly Connect, you can connect many more applications. And now if you have any doubts, you can reach us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, you can reach us at forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issues, you can follow this URL. And now go try this amazing automation for your own business too, because right now we are offering a free trial of Pabbly Connect.